Manipur Milk Producer Cooperative Union Limited के थबक थोरम पुमनमक National Dairy Development Board ता सिननबा ngarang Chief Minister की Secretariat nakal ohumna Memorandum of Understanding ama khutiyek pinakhre MOU khutiyek pinaba duda Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services के Minister Kashim Washumna saruk yakhe khutiyek pinaba aduda Manipur Lenga के mahut sillaga Veterinary and Animal Husbandry के Secretary Michael Achom National Dairy Development Board के mahut sillaga Board के Chairman Dr. Mines amade Manipur Milk Producer Cooperative Union के mahut sinduna Board of Administration के member Pukrambam Sovat Chandrana khutiyek pinakhe thawamatuka mari leinana Chief Minister N Birena Fongdo Kibada Asigumba MOU ama khutiyek pinaba haibase matam kayadagi ngairaga lairakli bani Union asina hauzik puthokliba sangom asi chang asi lamdam asigi miyamna sijinnaba konadaba haibadu oiri Manipur Milk Corporation Union Limited के members सिंगना Union asigi thabak thoram pumnamak National Dairy Development Board ta khutsinabagi ayaba pirakpa asigidamak thagatli Board asigi makhada sangongi pothok hena puthorakani haibagi thajaba chawna lei haina Chief Minister N Birena makha takhi